Welcome to Bamfordrose and another forum chat. This week it's rodents and how to best avoid them attacking your car. I think we've covered this in a previous video, but it doesn't hurt to show the damage that these critters can cause and get everyone to share ideas on how to prevent them from attacking your car. Here's a V8 Vantage in recently. As you can see here, the rodents have got up through the front grille area or climbed up through the engine compartment, got across to the front beauty cover tray and eaten their way into the bonnet lining and hibernated inside the bonnet lining. Been in there for a fair while. When we opened up the bonnet, this was what was left. What you can't see in this picture is that the valley of the engine was also lived in. There's quite a bit of debris in the valley of the engine. And next shot is the gearbox. Now this was a sport shift car and they've camped out on top of the gearbox by the magnetic position sensor and chewed through some wiring that you can see on the next picture. That's actually headlamp leveling wire, but they had a go at some of the transmission wiring because this car was exhibiting some really quirky button and paddle behavior. So yeah, rodents camping out on the gearbox and chewing their way through sensitive transmission wires is the last thing anybody needs. Now, most customers, when we say, hey, you've had an attack of the rodents, will often complain that the cat isn't doing their job. So I definitely wouldn't rely on any of your pets keeping rodents at bay. Now, in the last video, I think I said get some sort of traps, and you know, rodents, I'm no expert on rodents, but they like to crawl around the sides of surfaces, buildings. So if you put a trap on the inside of each tire, that's a good thing. But hey, what do you do at home that's any better? You know, I've seen some sprays on the market. I don't know how well these work. And I've seen some electronic devices which emit frequency that keeps the rodents away. Now, part of any long-term storage plan should be to make sure there's no ethanol in the fuel, and you've got a good tank of SO Optimum in there. Pump up the tires so you don't flat spot. Lots of little tips and tricks to help the car through its storage. But rodents and stopping rodents has got to be really the #1 priority, because if they chew their way through certain parts of the harness, to find that and then remove the harness and fix it, it could turn into colossal hours in a workshop, and the repair bill is really, really high, and we don't want that. So look forward to hearing your tips and tricks from keeping rodents at bay. Hope you like that forum chat, and as ever, really helps us if you can like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next forum chat.